tell me when you want me to start baking.
I think we're good to go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Groovy. I'm Morgan Lunn, and I am the founder of Girl Gang Goodies, which is an online cookie delivery service in Toronto. Literally, it was January 26th, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start a company. Then I was thinking, okay, well, I need to launch, and I decided on Valentine's Day, which was, you know, almost 2 weeks away. And I was like, okay, well, I have to create a logo. That's the #1 thing I have to create. So I start creating like an identity that people can recognize, because I'm gonna start polluting everyone's feed on social with my new brand. So the original recipe, no shred of a lie, is actually from my dad's ex-girlfriend in the 70s. They broke up and she moved out and she left her recipe cards, because, you know, that's how they recorded recipes back then. And my mom moved in, found the base cookie recipe and added the secret spice. And we sort of like been making it ever since. It's sort of been like our family claim to fame. It's all about the butter. I'm serious. Butter has to be the perfect temperature, or else it's never gonna work. So when I was thinking about the design, it definitely had to be recognizable, easy, something you could draw, nothing complicated. Also something that I could design, because I wasn't gonna make anything too crazy. Our eyes love round shapes. It's how our eyes rest, so I knew I wanted it to be round. I wanted it to be like a very easy to read typeface. I knew of Logojoy, and I just went on and made it that day and was like, okay, now I have it. And the best part of it was getting the brand guidelines, so I could repurpose like the Pantone color number in everything that I made, and find the font and all the different file formats. Like I use those weekly when I'm sharing my logo with different partners, because they always want different sizes. It was already fit for my social feeds. Like I was very low amount of work for me. I had to do no resizing, which was great because I could just focus on creating the website and the rest of the business that needed to come in 2 weeks. Running a business is just generally very challenging. Like doing all the things and like being okay with having some balls drop, because you are one person. When you're a sole entrepreneur and self-funded, like not everything is gonna be up in the air all the time, and just being like comfortable with that and comfortable with being uncomfortable. I think specifically what excites me about Girl Gang is that I have a really intimate and inside look into how people choose to express gratitude and say, thank you, you showed up for me. Often when I'm delivering the cookies, majority of them are surprise. People don't know they're getting them, and I know I'm the best moment in that person's day.